With the 50-watt LED reflector, the GreenHouse WS55 with solar panel and accumulator with a power of 50 watt and lifetime of up to 50,000 hours will be able to illuminate the entire night with bioenergy in the yard or areas where electricity is not possible. Installing the solar panel is done on the roof or on the wall at the 30 to 45 degree angle by using it to shade it for better light absorption. The projector is equipped with 15,000 mAh light sensor and Li-ion battery that is powered directly by solar panel with up to 12 hours of operation. Connected to the solar panel, it will remain off during daylight. It will automatically turn on at night, and if the projector is disconnected from the solar panel, it will remain on regardless of day and night. With the remote control included in the package, you can turn on or off the projector remotely by pressing the on-off button. You can adjust the light intensity or program the operating hours of the projector.